Okay, so what we have here is a Sunbeam 5891 bread maker, and after about I don't know how many years, maybe 2 or 3 years of service, it finally gave up. So it took me a lot of effort to open this thing up, and as you can see, the old belt was totally broken off. These here are the material from the old belt. Okay, now that that's cleaned up, let's put the new belt on. Got it off eBay for like about 15 bucks. Bit. Okay, now the belt is seated. Check if the teeth of the belt are in the grooves of the driver gear. Okay, make sure everything looks good. Now let me put this retainer washer back here. Now this washer is supposed to keep the belt seated on the driver gear. There is too much of a gap between the retainer and the washer itself. So once you put this on, there's a possibility for the washer to travel all the way out, and you ended up with a belt which is only like 60% or 70% on the driver gear. So that is not good, because basically 70% of the belt is going to carry all the load. So what I did was pick up these additional washers, which can be inserted into the same axle. Just make sure the original washer has less distance for it to travel. Able to see that the belt is pretty much 100% seated on the gear. Let's see if we can. So that is the original stopper or washer. Is the additional washer I put in there. So this original washer won't be able to travel all the way out here.